I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now here search and select Mautic. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key and secret key, go to Mautic dashboard. Click gear icon in the top right side corner, then click API credentials. Now click New button. Select OAuth 2 in Authorization Protocol. Here, give a meaningful API name as you want. Now navigate the integration page and copy the redirect URI. Paste it here. Now click the Save. API has been created successfully. Copy the client ID. Paste it here. Copy the client secret. Paste it here. Now paste the domain name, which is Mautic URL. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now map the field. You can add a tag to the contact by enabling this action. Here's the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mautic. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now navigate Mautic page and click the contact. Here is the data that came into Mautic through the integration. Thanks for watching.